Welcome all the viewers to my channel today. We are solving problems on the concept of trigonometric ratios. In the last class we have solved a number of problems. Today we will complete that section. Let us start. This is question number 10. Given cot theta is 7/8 and you are asked to find number 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This is one. Number 2, you have to find cot square theta. First, draw a right triangle. First, draw a right triangle. Right angle at B. Let angle ACB is theta. So you have to write in this way. Let ABC be a right triangle. Right angle at B in which angle ACB is theta. Now cot theta will be cot of angle ACB, cotangent of angle ACB. Turn permanently black or the BC by AB. So according to the question, you have BC is to AB is 7:8. Let BC equals to 7K and AB equals to 8K. Right here BC 7K and AB 8K. Now I am erasing this part. From triangle ABC, we have by Pythagoras theorem AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. AB square means 8K whole square, BC square means 7K whole square. This is 64K square, this is 49K square, 49, 53, 113 K square. This is AC square. So your AC will be root over of 113K. I am writing this here, root over of 113K. This is AC. Now you have to find two ratios, sin theta and cos theta. So your sin theta will be sine of angle ACB. This will be AB by AC. AB is 8K, AC is root over of 113K. So this becomes 8 by root over 113. Next cos theta. cos theta is cos of angle ACB. Cosine of this angle is BC by AC. Your BC is 7k, AC is root over of 113k. So this ultimately becomes 7 by root over of 113. So we get sin theta and cos theta. Now I am writing the expression whose value is to be found out. One plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So 1 plus sin theta is 8 by root over 113 into 1 minus 8 by root over 113 divided by 1 plus cos theta is 7 by root over of 113, 1 minus 7 by root over of 113. Now look, in both numerator and denominator, the formula of a square minus b square appeared. So this will be 1 minus 64 by 113. This will be 1 minus 49 by 113. Multiply both n and b by 113. So 113 minus 64, 113 minus 49. 64 by, this will be 49 by 64. This will be your answer. Okay. Next, cot square theta. I am erasing this. We have obtained its value is 49 by 64. Next, cot theta. That is cot of angle ACB. Cotangent of this angle will be BC by AB. So this is given. Okay. Cot theta is given. So we can write directly cot square theta. Cot square theta will be 7 by 8 whole square, that is 49 by 64. So these two values are same. Next question. ABC is a right triangle at B in which tan A is 1 by root 3. ABC is a right triangle at B in which tangent of the angle A, tan A is 1 by root 3 given. Angle ABC 90 degree, tan A is 1 by root 3. These two factors given. To find sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. This is number 1. Number 2, we have to find cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Solution. We have tan A 1 by root 3. So with respect to this angle, this is perpendicular, this is base. So tan A, that is tan of angle BAC, this is BC by AB. So according to the question, BC is to AB is 1 is to root 3. So let BC equals to K and AB equals to root 3K. Write this here. BC is K and AB is root 3K. Now from right triangle ABC we have by Pythagoras theorem. AC is root over of AB square plus BC square. AB square, that is root 3K whole square plus BC square means K whole square, root over of 3K square plus K square, that is root over of 4K square. So ultimately we get 2K. So we get AC is 2K. Now let us find the trigonometric ratios whose values are required here. First find sin A. Now sin A, sine of this angle, some people have BC by AC. BC is K, AC is 2K, so this becomes half sin A, then cos C, sin A, cos C. Cosine of this angle, with respect to this angle, this is perpendicular, this is base. So cosine of this angle will be BC by AC. Same value half. Then cos A. Cosine of this angle will be AB by AC. AB is root 3K, AC is 2K. So this is root 3 by 2. Cos A, then sin C. Sin C, sine of this angle. So AB by AC. AB is root 3K, AC is 2K. So this becomes root 3 by 2. So now finding in this side. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Your sin A is obtained half, cos C is obtained also half, cos A is root 3 by 2, this is plus, into sin C is also root 3 by 2. This becomes 1 by 4, this becomes 3 by 4, this is 1. Now let us find the second part. I am using this part. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Here cos A was root 3 by 2, cos C was half, sin A was half, sin C was root 3 by 2. This is root 3 by 4, this is also root 3 by 4, answer is 0. Okay. Next question. Question number 12. ABC is a right triangle at C. Right triangle at C, in which AB is 40 units. Length of AB is 40 units. BC is 20 units. BC is 20 units. Angle ABC is theta. This angle is of measure theta. You are asked to find sin square theta plus cos square theta. To find number 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta. number 2, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. These two expression you have to find out. First of all, we have to find the length AC. Solution. AC will be root over of AB square minus BC square. So this will be AB square. AB square means 40 square minus 20 square units. So 40 plus 20 is 60, 40 minus 20, 20 units. 1200, 400 into 3, 20 root 3 units. So your length of AC is 20 root 3 units. Now we have to find sin theta. Sin theta is sine of angle ABC. Some people have, this is AC by AB. That is 20 root 3 by 40. So this becomes root 3 by 2. Cos theta. Cos of angle ABC. Curly brown hair. So BC by AC. BC by AB. BC is 20, AB is 40, so this becomes half. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin theta whole square, that is root 3 by 2 whole square. Cos theta whole square, that is half whole square. This is 3 by 4, this is 1 by 4, this is 1. Next you have to find tan theta. Let us erase all this. Tan theta. Tan theta is tan of angle ABC. Tan bounded to get P by B, that is AC by BC. AC will be perpendicular because side opposite to the angle concerned. Angle concerned is theta here. AC is 20 root 3 by 20. So this becomes root 3. Now 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan theta we get root 3. So 1 minus root 3 whole square, 1 plus root 3 whole square. This is 1 minus 3, 1 plus 3. This is minus 2 by 4. So we get minus half. Next question. Number 13. Given 15 sin A minus 8 cos A equals to 0. To find sin A minus cos A by sin A plus cos A. Solution. We have 15 sin A equals to 8 cos A. Just shift this to the right side. Then we have sin A by cos A equals to 8 by 15. Now apply component and dividend. We get sin A by cos A by sin A minus cos A is equals to 8 by 15, 8 minus 15. You have to write by applying component rule and dividend rule. Now apply inverted rule because minus is the numerator. So applying inverted rule, you get sin A minus cos A by sin A plus cos A. This becomes minus 7 by 22. This will be your answer. Next question. PQ is a triangle right angle at Q. PR plus QR is 25 centimeter. Angle PQR is 90 degree. PR plus QR. PR plus QR is 25 centimeter. And PQ is 5 centimeter. Length of PQ is 5 centimeter. To find sin P cos P tan P. Sin P cos P and tan P. These three ratios you are asked to find. Let QR be x centimeter. So one thing let me mention here. Now I am solving this problem in this way, but it has a more simpler solution in future. In future, after learning the identities. Okay. Now I am solving the longer process. Let QR be x centimeter because we don't know till now those identities. QR is x centimeter. Then your PR will be 25 minus x centimeter. Solution. Let QR equals to x centimeter. That implies PR will be 25 minus x centimeter. Now as PQ is a right triangle, we have PR square minus QR square equals to PQ square. PR square, that is 25 minus x whole square, QR square minus x square is 5 square. Applying a plus b minus b, we get 25 minus 2x into 25 is equals to 25. Cancel this to 25. You get 25 minus 2x equals to 1. Look here, 1 remains. Okay. That means 2x equals to 24. That means x equals to 12. So you get QR 12 centimeter and this becomes 13 centimeter. 25 minus 12, 13 centimeter. Now it is easy to find the required value. Right, therefore QR is 12 centimeter, therefore PR is 25 minus 12 centimeter equals to 13 centimeter. Now sin P. Sin P means sine of angle QPR. Angle concern is QPR, so perpendicular is QR. P by H, QR by PR. QR is 12, PR is 13, 12 by 13. Then cos P. Cos P means cos of angle QPR. This will be PQ by PR. PQ is 5 centimeter, PR is 13 centimeter, so this ratio becomes 5 by 13. Then tan P. Tan P means tan of angle QPR. This will be QR by PQ. QR is 12, PQ is 5. So all the three ratios we have calculated. Next, number 15. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. This is our triangle ABC, right angle at B. AB is 21 centimeter. AB is 21 centimeter. AC minus BC is 9 centimeter. Given angle ABC 90 degree. AB 21 centimeter and AC minus BC is 9 centimeter. To find sin C and cos C. So we will solve it in this way. We will consider BC as x centimeter. Let BC as x centimeter. Therefore, AC will be 9 plus x centimeter. X will be shifted to that side. AC is x plus 9 centimeter. This is x centimeter. Now, from triangle ABC we have AC square minus BC square equals to AC square. Now, solve it. Solve it. After solving, you will get. The rest is kept as homework. You get sin C as 21 by 29 and cos C you will get 20 by 29. And the last one of today's class, given question number 16. Sin theta is a square minus b square by a square plus b square. And you are asked to find all the remaining 5 ratios. To find all the remaining 5 ratios. Just draw a right triangle. Solution. Let ABC be a right triangle. Right angle at B and angle ACB is theta. Now sin theta, that means sin of angle ACB, sin of this angle will be AB by AC. Now sin theta is given this, so you can write AB is to AC is a square minus b square is to a square plus b square. Let AB equals to a square minus b square into k, and AC equals to a square plus b square into k. K is a constant greater than 0. So write these values in the diagram. A square minus b square into k, and this is a square plus b square into k. Now I am erasing all this. Now by Pythagoras theorem we have BC square equals to AC square minus AB square. AC square is a square plus b square whole square into k square minus AB square is whole square into k square. Now take common k square. You get a square plus b square whole square minus a square minus b square whole square. A square into this is formula of 4a square b square. So you get 4a square b square k square. This is bc square. So your bc will be 2abk. Right here 2abk. This is bc. Now you can find all the y ratios. Sin theta is given, so start with cos theta. Cos theta means cos of angle ACB. Cosine of this angle, curly brown here. This will be BC by AC. BC by AC means BC is 2abk. AC is a square plus b square into k. So ultimately you get 2ab by a square plus b square. Next tan theta. Tan theta is tan of angle ACB if tangent, that is perpendicular by base, so AB by BC. AB is a square minus b square into k. BC is 2abk. So this becomes a square minus b square by 2ab, or you can write it in this way also. No need to write this. You can end here also. So we get sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Now cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. Reciprocal means this will be a square plus b square by a square. And don't write directly. First write 1 by sin theta, then write. Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta, then a square plus b square by a square minus b square. This is cosec theta, then sec theta. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta, reciprocal of cos theta. This will be a square plus b square by 2ab, and then cot theta. Writing here. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, so 1 by tan theta. Tan theta reciprocal, this will be 2ab by a square minus b square. Okay, so we have completed this section today. In our next class we will discuss on trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Specific angles means 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, all these angles. Okay, so we will meet in the next class with our discussion on the standard angles. Till then, goodbye. Bye.